MongoDB findOne and $or does order of arguments matters or hierarchy? Performance. I mean, for example, while having two conditions, if first condition true, will it avoid checking the second? I would like that it stops further searching when matching first condition, so it not goes lower level to search around children. Is it matter of arguments order in $or closure, or rather MongoDB knows smartly the hierarchy and it influences order of search by findOne?
Yes, the order matters, which is one strong reason for an array form of arguments, which of course is ordered. So basically this is referred to as short-circuit evaluation. So only where the first condition does not match then is the next condition tested, and so on. So can best demonstrate with a collection like this. And then the following query. Which of course finds both documents, since even though the first does not have an element for B, the first condition is met anyway. In the second document, since the first failed, then the second was used to match.
I would like that it stops further searching when matching first condition, so it not goes lower level to search around children. The question you have to ask yourself is, how can MongoDB know how both sides of the $or are satisfied by one side? How does MongoDB know that the documents that do not satisfy the first condition do not satisfy the second? If I were to say that I have a set of documents, half with a column 1, B column 1, and half with B column 2, how can you know that a column 1 or B column 1 is satisfied by the first half if you have no idea what the second half looked like? Simple answer is that it doesn't. It has to search both conditions via parallel queries, which are then returned and duplicates merged. As such, order does not really matter unless it were in $, and in this case the importance of order is in the index, not the query, as the query will be moved around to optimize for quickest path to results. So in reality, the way MongoDB works is that it shoots off a query per condition. This actually explains the behavior, this URL. When using indexes with $or queries, each clause of an $or can use its own index.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.